I grew up as a skateboarder from 1985 when I was 12 years old to the year 2000. I skated almost every damn day. Fortunately, this video isn't about me. No, it's about the last skateboard contest that ever happened. I say it was the last skateboard contest because a year or two after this contest, X Games came out, or the Extreme Games, or something, and that wasn't skateboarding no more to me. That wasn't a contest. That was like a bunch of fake stuff that they would come together and create a ramp and all this nonsense. To me, this Shut Up and Skate, Houston, Texas, was at the skate park. All the people there were skaters. There was no big media corporate stuff. It was the last skate skate contest that I consider ever to have happened.